Holy shit, guys. Holy shit. Last night, our coin got listed as King of the Hill at 2:49 a.m. Eastern Standard over on Pump.Fund. Our market cap, so if you bought in, our market cap got all the way up to a $54,000 market cap. Yesterday, I posted the video that I launched my own cryptocurrency coin, and I don't know what happened. I think you guys made it happen, but we are currently sitting at about an $18,000 market cap. You can clearly see that we were trending overnight and we got up to a 54K market cap and we were on top. Now, what does the King of the Hill thing mean? You're basically the highest market cap over on Pump.Fund. So we were absolutely killing it. I just wanted to put this out there. That is fucking crazy. But like I said, we are not rug pulling this coin. I'm going to see what we can get up to. If we are 2 days in, 48 hours in, and we got to a $54,000 market cap, I am pretty confident that we can get to about a $100,000 market cap and potentially get listed somewhere else, get some more community backing, and I can actually work on this coin a little bit more. But yeah, if you're interested in buying, I'm going to link it in the top of the description. And if you didn't see my video yesterday, make sure to go watch that. Now, GameStop. GameStop calls are pouring in right now. People are loading up on GameStop calls. There are a lot of bullish bets coming in on the market. We are seeing, like I said yesterday, we will see a high amount of these for today, a high amount of short exempt volume, 100,000, 107,000, 349 to be exact for November 26th. If we take a look at GameStop's chart, you can clearly see when we test this resistance, they drop a bit of short exempts on it, but not a lot to sort of say push it down to the most recent support level, which I would have not minded to see, 29.50, but we are holding strong. So we didn't break above this level yesterday, but we didn't retrace. In fact, seeing this consolidation just gives us more of a bigger move to the upside, in my opinion. See, what's happening here is the Watson envelope is allowing you to cool down. Just think of this as an overbought line, oversold line, and then use it with the RSI. Now, GameStop has been trading above the 20 EMA, which is the blue line right here, and it has consistently been bouncing off of it. We are in a bullish uptrend, obviously, as you can see, and it looks like GameStop is just going to continue to ramp up going into next week. RSI is just sitting up here trying to cool off. So this is a beautiful thing to see. Just because we aren't seeing explosions midday doesn't mean that this is a bad thing. GameStop's still up 2.5%. It's consolidating. It's building a spring. It's building a larger options chain, more of a gamma ramp coming into the next week. And ultimately, expect an explosion. Expect a move quickly up to 32.65, up to 36 bucks after that, and then we will evaluate from there. AMC as well, $4.87, up 1.46% on the day. Now you can see that AMC actually got a sell signal up here. GameStop did not get that same sell signal, even though it got overbought, which is pretty interesting, right? So AMC got that sell signal. GameStop did not get that sell signal. Now, given the body of the candle did exit the top of the Watson envelope, and GameStop's didn't, it only wicked out. So AMC had a little bit more strength here, and that's exactly why you saw this amount of short exempts, 248,000 on that day, right? So it got shut down at this area, but it came back down and it is building support on the top of the parallel channel, priming us for a breakout. The first level that we're gonna watch very closely, and depending on the momentum we get, it could break right through it quickly, is 520. Okay, just get above 520. It's the first level we're watching. Right now, I see AMC trading at these low levels, a good time to accumulate shares and dollar cost average down, right? Again, nothing I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. GameStop, I see this more of as a call opportunity and hold the shares that you already own. Now, AMC's options chain still looking beautiful. 18,000 calls compared to 3,000 puts expiring in the money, with 105,000 calls expiring out of the money, which is a lot of premium going to market makers, but we are also seeing a little bit of a gamma ramp build up here. Now, we have some important things to discuss within the overall market before we get into crypto. First of all, Elon Musk has said that the IRS is going to be audited by the Department of Government Efficiency, aka DOGE, which is pretty crazy. Texas just sued BlackRock, State Street, and Vanguard for illegally conspiring to manipulate energy markets, driving up costs for consumers. Screw these institutions. They are the fat cats who have been creating everything to be expensive for you. BlackRock and Vanguard and State Street formed a cartel to rig the coal market, artificially reducing the energy supply and raising prices. Their conspiracy has harmed American energy production and hurt consumers. This is a stunning violation of state and federal law. BlackRock has done several things just like this, including its space in the housing market. Now, the Fed minutes has shown that broad support for gradually lowering rates is in favor, but they said they saw some pause or faster cuts as options depending on data. Now, what does this mean for the market? Here's the thing. There is a meeting in December, I believe December 12th or 13th, where the Fed is going to decide to raise rates, cut rates, or pause rates. And I'm going to tell you the reaction because what's going to happen is ultimately going to affect the market. You either see a crash on 12th, 13th going into the new year, which is very possible. Sorry, I didn't want to draw that there. Which is very possible leading into Trump's inauguration, or you wait for the next meeting in January, February for that. Okay, so ultimately you have up until this time frame right here for the SPY to get its potential first crash. Now, even if that does happen, here's what I see, right? I still see a lot of time to get up to that 623 level on the SPY, okay? We have about half a month to get to 623, and you could see the biggest melt up squeeze into mid-December for meme stock plays, cryptocurrency, and the overall market. Now, if you don't see that and you see this chop trade or the SPY kind of sell off, here's good news. I think the December meeting is going to be very bullish. If we see downtrend or consolidation or whatever it may be, you come into this December meeting and I think that is going to be the last melt up phase. Then the meeting after, here's what's going to happen. The Fed is going to say, listen, it's time to ease, slow down on the gas, and there's really no way out, no way for a soft landing, and you're finally going to get that recession that everyone has been waiting for. So ultimately, to break it down, if you don't see a melt up and squeeze by December 12th and 13th, then expect it to happen after that date coming into January. If you see a squeeze and melt up in December 13th, then expect a crash following that date. This is ultimately what I'm saying here and what I'm anticipating. Really quick, because this video is probably going on, MicroStrategy got a recent buy signal right here. You can see it came up. However, it is not confirmed until it comes above the 20 EMA. We have ultimately entered a downtrend on MicroStrategy in the short term, but in the long term, we are still in a very, very high uptrend. MicroStrategy is still up 8%. If you followed this buy signal, you would be up over 20-30%, right? Ultimately, watch for a cross at the 20 EMA, which is around 398 for MicroStrategy if this is something you are trading. Now, I did take a position today on Nvidia, 132.88. I alerted Discord. If you want to know my trades as soon as I enter them, get in the Discord. Don't forget that I am doing a Black Friday sale, and whatever price you get in at is the price you pay forever, guys. So again, I didn't want to make a sale, but now's your chance to get in if you've been thinking about it for quite a while. You can see my trades as soon as I take them. Come talk with me and the most amazing people, stocks, and crypto all day long. We also have option sweep alerts, dark pool trade alerts, insider trade alerts, market news, a stock talk channel, crypto talk channel, and some additional channels that you will see when you get in there as a little bit of a surprise. Now, what did I enter? I entered calls on Nvidia. The exact strike price and date is January 17th, $140 calls. I would consider running a stop loss just below 130. Ultimately, if you wanted a little bit risk on, I would drop a stop loss at 127.70. Pepe and Bonk, we talked a little bit about them yesterday. If you didn't see the video yesterday about my cryptocurrency, go watch that if you want to see what I'm talking about with Bonk and Pepe. Ultimately, this is a picture perfect thing I called out here. Buy signal. I gave you guys in yesterday's video, a lot of you didn't see it, a perfect strategy to trade crypto in my opinion on the 4-hour time frame. Pepe did bounce here, but we aren't getting a breakout just yet out of this descending resistance level, so Pepe is trying its hardest to break out of that. Bonk is doing the same thing with a little bit of a weaker move in my opinion. Dogecoin is having a stronger move than both, actually building a candle on the 4-hour out of this descending resistance level, fighting the next resistance right around 40 cents. If Doge breaks out, easy move to 42 cents, then to 47 cents. Now, if you want to know my outlook, if I'm still bullish on Bonk and Pepe, go watch the video I uploaded yesterday. Bitcoin at a picture perfect, not 9.1, not 9.9, a picture perfect 9% retracement from its high to its recent bottom, and it got 3 buy signals right here, and now it is getting a sell signal. The reason it's getting a sell signal is because it is testing the top of the Watson envelope here, this green dotted line. Ultimately, what that means, it's trading above 20 EMA. Just watch for a little bit of a cool off down to 95,000 or maybe 95,200 before Bitcoin continues to rip. Or again, we don't have to see that. We saw it break out several times out of this. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Make sure to go get your 15 free stocks before it's over. The page isn't loading, but I can just explain it to you. Moomoo, the link in the description. Once you sign up through my link and deposit into your account, after they approve you, which should take 2 minutes, you're getting up to 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2,000 per stock, as well as earning 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. But the best part about it is when you deposit, you can withdraw that money or trade with that money, completely up to you, and you're getting a $30 cash reward on top of that. So it's free money. Do it before November is over. Moomoo is also a great platform to use. They have access to level 2 order book data for free, trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, a customizable earnings calendar, and more as a retail investor. So they hook you up with all the tools that you need to make some money. That is it, guys. I love you all. God bless. Lottery Stocks out.